Today, we're continuing the series called Tapping for $1 Billion. In the previous sessions, we worked on releasing resistance to wealth, fear of success, fear of losing money, and fear of responsibility. Today, we're going to address another belief that often appears when people imagine extremely large abundance, the belief that they're simply not ready for that level of wealth yet. Many people think things like maybe someday, maybe later, maybe after I become a better person. Maybe when I'm more experienced. Maybe when I deserve it. These beliefs can quietly keep abundance in the future instead of allowing it to exist in the present moment. Today, we're going to gently release the belief that you're not ready and begin allowing yourself to grow into the person who can receive and handle massive abundance. Before we begin tapping, let's briefly talk about what EFT tapping is and how it works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It combines focused attention with gentle tapping on specific acupressure points on the body. These points are connected to the body's energy meridian system used in acupuncture. When we focus on a belief or emotional pattern while tapping these points, the nervous system begins to calm and the brain can start updating old emotional programming. Over time, this can help dissolve limiting beliefs and replace them with more supportive ones. Let me quickly remind you of the tapping points and the tapping cycle. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand between the wrist and the pinky finger. After that, we move through the tapping sequence. The eyebrow point on the inside of the eye, the side of the eye, under the nose, the chin point, the collarbone point, the arm point, and finally the top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. Then we begin the next round again at the eyebrow point and repeat the sequence. You can tap on either side of the body because the meridians are symmetrical. You can use one hand or two hands. I personally prefer tapping with two hands because I feel like I get more out of it, but use whatever feels comfortable. When tapping the points, you can use 2 fingers or 3 fingers. Now take a slow breath in. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the idea of having an extraordinary level of abundance available to you. Imagine the resources, the opportunities, and the impact you could create. Notice what emotions appear. Maybe excitement, maybe curiosity, maybe hesitation. Notice if any thoughts appear like, I'm not ready. I still have things to learn. Maybe later. Just observe these thoughts without judging them. Ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how ready do I feel to receive extraordinary abundance? Just notice the number. Now take another slow breath in. Now start tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though part of me feels like I'm not ready for that level of wealth, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me thinks I still need to become someone before I can receive abundance, I choose to respect myself and stay open. Even though I may have doubts about being ready for massive wealth, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Part of me thinks I'm not ready yet. Maybe someday. Maybe later. Maybe after I improve myself. All these thoughts about not being ready, all this hesitation around abundance, part of me keeps wealth in the future because it thinks I'm because it thinks I'm not ready. What if I really am growing into it? What if readiness comes with experience? What if I don't have to be perfect first? What if I can grow into abundance? Maybe I'm more capable than I think. Maybe I've been preparing for years. Maybe life has been teaching me. Maybe I'm closer than I thought. Allowing myself to grow. Allowing myself to expand. Allowing myself to learn. Allowing myself to receive. Maybe readiness is a process. Maybe growth happens along the way. Maybe abundance can help me grow. Allowing my readiness to increase. I am capable of growth. I am capable of learning. I am capable of expanding. I can grow into greater abundance. I can develop new skills. I can handle new opportunities. I can rise to new challenges. Allowing myself to expand into abundance. Maybe I'm more ready than I realize. Maybe I've already grown so much. Maybe I'm capable of even more. Maybe abundance can support my growth. Maybe I can become that version of myself. Allowing my readiness to grow. Allowing abundance to feel possible. Allowing myself to expand. Take a slow breath in. Close your eyes again for a moment and imagine the future version of yourself who has grown into incredible abundance. See that version of you handling opportunities calmly, learning continuously, and making thoughtful decisions. Notice how natural and comfortable abundance feels for that version of you. Imagine that future version of you saying, I didn't have to be perfect to begin. I simply had to be willing to grow. Now take another breath in. Before continuing your day, drink some water. Tapping in emotional energy work can shift the body's stress response, and staying hydrated helps the body integrate those changes. And thank you for doing this work. By releasing the belief that you're not ready for abundance, you open the door to growth, opportunity, and impact, not only for yourself, but for everyone in the world, everyone in the universe. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.